Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So once again, today we're gonna make another product review, and this time I got this SeaWeed's mask. So I just saw this online, and I was so skeptic, and I'm actually really nervous because this is look yuck. This doesn't look. I don't know what this is really looks like. I saw this on internet, and this is really looks like. I really don't know how to explain it, but we're gonna see it. Keep and continue watching, and you will also gonna see it. What I am talking about, because I don't know and I cannot really explain what this looks like and what is this. But this is a mask, so I really don't know. Let's find it out. If this, how cool is this? Let's see. Come on. Let's see if you also want to get this or forget it.
One, two, three, come on!
So, I finished cleaning my face. I don't know, I received it like this. Just like this. And there's no instruction with it. And I received it together with this. A cup where you should mix that thing. A mixer and a scoop. And this is really cool. What is this? A mask maker. There's really no instruction with it. So this is how it looks like. This is like something. It's granulated, but it's really soft and feels like powder, but it's granulated. I make a mess. Oh my god. There's no instruction how much I could do and how much water I should do, so I really don't know. Let's just keep doing this. So I'm gonna get water. So now I have my water, but I don't really know how much I should do it or what. But okay. So I really don't know how much water we should do, but I think I'm gonna do it slowly. Is this toothpick or? I think I put a lot. Or it should be like this thick. So since this has no real instruction with, I have no idea what we're doing here. If this is the right consistency or not. But look, the water is really all together with this. He absorbed the water really. Look at that. So that's one scoop, and I think so I'm gonna grab it. Yeah. this this is so slimy. It's like, okay, it feels like a really wet dough. It smells nothing. It smells like, it really smells nothing. So just the feeling is just really unexplainable. Then let's put it on my face. I already tied up my hair, and I'm ready to give it a try. So we will see. I don't know. I really have no idea with this. I really no idea. I have no idea what to do with this now. Okay, then I'll make new one. Throw this back. It's really more better if you know how to, you know how much water you will use. So next time, if you make it wrong, then you know how to do it next time. So you know if you're gonna be more or you're gonna be less. So I don't know. So is this gonna be? This is really gonna be my eyes. I really don't know, but that is really not my eye. But okay. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Ah, yes. Ah, I know what to do. Throw away. Throw away. Next. This is a really big face. Somehow my face is also big, so. So then, how I will spread this. This is also a no-no. Another no. I really don't know, but I saw this. Someone, I think their commercial or I don't know. But I saw this online. And then, they tried it in their hands. And then after they put it up, the arms that they test and try to put with this, it looks like already with filter. Something like the other arms already have foundation. So I said, hey, what is this? A mask with foundation in the end. So this also not work. So didn't work again. So I take it out. I really don't know. Then I put it in my face. I want to do this on my forehead. So, so we're gonna put it like this and then we wait for a few minutes how this will gonna be. I think I know when this is ready. There is something like milk is going out. It's something like the water is becoming white. This feels like glue. You know when you touch, no, that's really not stick on your arms. But this is really like a dough when you make a bread or whatsoever, a cake. So if this really works and this really makes good on my skin, I will regret this not doing on my forehead. But I still have a chance. In fairness, when I squeeze it really here and press it directly on my face, I feel something is going on, something like liquid or so. Sure, it's wet. Girl, I want it here. Here, oh, in my T-zone. Go there. God, I cannot believe what I'm doing. Somehow it feels like, yeah, sure, it feels so soft because of this. I don't know. So, you will see that later. It's been 30 minutes already passed by, and I think I made this part really, really thick. That's why this is still wet, and it's really still feels cold. But on my forehead, this is really dry, and this is really crispy already. So I think we're gonna put it out now. Oh. You see how? See, I told you, it really looks like glue. Really looks like an Elmer's glue or a white glue that you stick. But this part is really still, but somehow I don't know, it feels good, but I have to take this out also. I don't know, but I think it just, I don't know for what is this, but seems like it just moistened my face. I don't know, but I really don't know what to say with this item. Oh. Ah, this clean my blackheads. It's clear. Oh my god. Oh my god, this clean my blackhead. I cannot believe it. Oh, I'm so shocked. So I think I'm gonna keep this. And not this, I mean this. I think I'm gonna keep this. Oh my god. I'm so shocked. I already tried really a lot of things for my blackheads. And imagine, I never seen a clear nose like this. Not really clear because I think I put it just until here. So some parts is really not that. I don't know. I'm really speechless. I used this already. I used this already. I bought this and I'm using this to, yeah, this is for my pimples, but I used to scrape it, this. I used to scrape my blackheads with that. And sure, a nose strip. I tried also this scraper, this electric ionic scraper. Doesn't really help. I also used this baking soda. They said mix this baking soda with your this. No, I really didn't see my blackheads gone like this. Oh my god, I can't. So I'm really speechless. I don't know what to say. I don't see changes, really. It's just really smooth, which is every facial mask really did that. Every facial mask really worked with that way. It makes your face really smooth. But this, my blackheads, that's another level, girl. That's I'm no. So I take up all the filters what I can have here in my camera, but I don't know. But this really makes my cheek really rosy. It looks like I have a bit of blush on. Nice, but it makes my face dry. So I think if I put cream on it, that's fine already. It's really good. My god. I really don't know if that just like look blushy because my skin reacted. That's why it's red. Usually when your skin reacts, it will gonna be red. So, but somehow it really looks just like here. And I put it all over my face. So if my skin reacted, my face could be red all over, not just here. But perfect. I love it. I think I'm gonna keep this thing. I even tried to rejuvenate my skin, especially on this part, because I really wanted to take away that stubborn blackheads. But look at this. I am so shocked. So, now you see it, guys. That's it for now. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Watch out for my next video. Bye!